In this video, we will know that how to fix Windows 11 installation has failed. When you install new window on your system, sometime your windows get failed during installation. So how to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, reboot your system and after that go this setup, Windows 11 setup page, and after that guys, select here language and click here next. Select here keyboard or input method, click here next, and here guys select this option previous version of setup, click here and select your language and click here next, click here install now, and if you have product key enter, and if you don't have click here and select your operating system Windows 11 Pro, okay, like that, and click here next. If you want home, click here. If you want Pro, click here next, and after that accept, I accept, check this check box, and guys click here next. Select here custom and click here guys next button. So guys, you can see here your Windows installation get started here. Now we are waiting for some time. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.